music stars. Welcome to the instrument Wonderland. Meet the classic guitar, your ticket to a world of fun and music. It's like a treasure chest filled with happy songs, soft tunes, and even dancing melodies. With 6 shiny strings, you can strum, pluck, and make magic happen. Hold it close and let your fingers dance. Each string has its own special sound, like whispers from a secret world. The classic guitar is your buddy for campfires, parties, or quiet moments of dreaming. Ready to be a music hero? Let's strum our way to fun.